So you've got a PF sound, which is the F and the P together. You've got a click, clap snare, right? And we've got one more sound that I'd love to show you, and it's called lip basses. Now, there are lots of different types of lip basses. Now, I love these because they're really fun. But again, you don't want to be spitting on someone, and lips moving sometimes causes spit. There's another lip roll sound or lip sound called the lip roll. We're not going to do that one because that one's really complicated. It could take you a year just to get that sound. So I want to give you something that you can get right away, all right? It's oscillating our lips or making our lips vibrate. Our lips can go like this. Right? Right? This helps train our lips, right? It helps train our lips to be really, really loose and moist, right? Right? So here's how that sound works. First, let's warm up our lips, right? By letting them be really, really, really loose. Let's try this. Yep, silly sound. Right? This gets our lips really loose and warm. Now, what we want to do now is tighten up those lip vibrations like this. Right? We want to make sure that our lips are really, really, really loose for this sound. This sound gives us lip basses. And it's basically just making our lips really loose and pushing air out of them. Some people used to call this the infamous fart sound, right? But it's not really that. Right? It's actually just making our lips really loose and vibrating them. Let's do another beat. We're going to take our PF snare, right? Click, clap, right? And our lip bass, right? I'm going to put those together. And if you need to rewind this video just to go back over that, please do, right? You got all the time. Let's do it. Now, you didn't have to do it exactly the way I did it, but all I wanted you to do was put those sounds together, right? You can make any beat, any rhythm, just putting those sounds together. Listen to your favorite music, your favorite songs, and then try to use those sounds to imitate the music that you're hearing. And pretty soon, you're going to end up being a beatbox master. Keep beatboxing, keep practicing, because it takes a lot of practice.